welcome to Ethiopian 60. On our today's lesson, I'm going to show you how to find the simplification of these cases. So here, this is a very tricky question. I can show you how to find with simple way this problem in general. So first of all, in order to simplify this problem, first let's look what is written in the radical form. Now let us take out 3 minus 2 radical of 2. Here in the case of this problem, you have to look always, you have to find two numbers whose sum is exactly 2 and whose product is absolutely, that is 3. So the numbers are 1 and 2. 1 times 2, 2, and 1 plus 2 is going to be this one. So this is written as 2 minus 2 radical of 2 plus 1. We have to rearrange these in order. That 2 plus 1. We have this one. That means these and these expressions are already the same. And then what we're going to do now, this is perfect. If it is already written in the form of this one, this is going to be perfect. Then if it is perfect, take the square root of the first, that is root 2, sine minus square root of the last, 1, the whole square. That means this will be this one. And hence, this implies that 1 over radical of 3 minus 2 radical of 2 is going to be 1 over radical of root 2 minus 1 the whole square. And this is perfectly equal to 1 over radical 2 minus 1. Because this is cancelled by this one. You know that root 2 is greater than 1, so it's no need to insert this in absolute value. And then finally, what you're going to do, we have to rationalize the denominator, and that is going to be root 2 plus 1 over root 2 plus 1. And you know that this product is going to be root 2 plus 1 over what? You know, this is the difference of 2 square, root 2 minus root 2 the whole square minus 1 square, that's going to be 2 minus 1, which is absolutely root 2 plus 1. So this is the simplification for the first problem. Now let's see how we are going to determine the simplification for the second problem. Now in order to simplify the second problem, let me show you a very simple way again to simplify that one. So first of all, take the denominator, that is 4 plus 2 radical 3. Then first you have to find two numbers whose sum is absolutely that give 3, and whose product is exactly 3 and whose sum is this one. So this is going to be 3 plus 2 root 3 plus 1. That means the two expressions are the same. The left and the right expressions are always the same. This one plus 1 plus 3 is going to be this one. So that's the same. And then now take the square root of the first, root 3 plus, you know the reason, because since it is already a perfect expression, you can take the square root of the first, that is 3 plus the square root of the last is 1, the whole square. This means this one. And hence, now when you come to the problem, root 3 plus 1 over radical of 4 plus 2 root 3 is gonna be root 3 plus 1 over, now this is square root of root 3 plus 1, the whole square. And this is cancelled, and which is given by root 3 plus 1 over root 3 plus 1, which is exactly 1. This is the simplification for this one. Is that? You see, first of all, you have to know how this is going to be a perfect square. If you already know whether this is perfect or not, that's very simple to just simplify this problem. You know how we are going to say any trinomial algebraic expression is perfect or not. If you already know this one, that's very simple to simplify this case. So this is all about our today's lesson. If you have any questions, doubt regarding to this and some other lesson, you are welcome. Thank you for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you. Bye.